The Bengali Puja just round the corner. We are doing a Bengali food festival from today, that is 4th of October till 13th of October. We will be doing thali during the lunch, and during the dinner we would be doing the buffet, in the Bengali buffet. We would, in the buffet we are putting hilish, we are putting betki, Calcutta betki, we are using papda, we are using rohi fish. Plus apart from that we are even using banana flowers with the mocha, that is known as commonly in the Bengali. Also in this we are using that fish very fresh. We have sourced out 3 suppliers so that we can get the fish early in the morning and then cook it fresh for the dinner. This is how we are planning to do it, and so that we don't lose out on the fish. The main concentration in the Bengali food is on fish only, so we don't lose out somewhere that some supplier is unable to supply. That's why we kept 3 suppliers. We are even using the thod, we are making aloo bhaja. Plus we have gone into so much detail, and I am thankful to my GM, who is actually a Bengali, and we have done so many experiments along with his wife. We have done so many tests also, food trials also, and then we are working on a different menu on a daily basis. All wish you all the best and happy Durga Puja, and expect you to come over here to enjoy our meals over here. The timings for the dinner are 7:30 to 11:30, and for the lunch it is 12:30 to 3 for the thali. In the main vegetable menu we have the starters like beguni, we have got bangan bhaja, we have got aloo bhaja, and we have got sukto, then we have got mocha ghanto, just like I mentioned. And not to forget, in the non-vegetarian we will be also making mudi ghanto. Plus we have sourced out also hilish, which would be giving. Plus we would be having a puchka counter, live counter, and ghugni live counter during the buffet. Non-vegetarian, the main concentration, like I've told, it will be on fish. Plus we'll be having murgi jhol, we'll be having kosha manso, and we'll be having doi mach. We'll be having different variations on a daily basis. You have to come over here, see it, relish it, enjoy it, and then